In the last video, we discussed constitution now and then, like what was the number of articles before. Today, what is the number of article in our constitution? Preamble, what are the changes in preamble, under which amendment there was the change in preamble, and important article till part 10. So in today's video, we will be discussing part 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So now let's see. First we will see what does each part deal with. I'll do this in the first page. Even for every part there is important article. We will be discussing this further. First let's start with this. Part 11, it deals with relation between the union and the state. Part 12 deals with finance, property, contracts and suits. Part 13 deals with trade, commerce and intercourse within the territory of India. Part 14 deals with services under the union and state, that is public service commissions. Part 14A deals with tribunals. Part 15 deals with election, that is election commission and its formation. Part 16 deals with special provision relating to certain classes. Part 17 deals with official language. Part 18 deals with emergency provision, that is national emergency, presidential rule and financial emergency. Part 19 deals with miscellaneous things. Part 20 deals with amendment of the constitution. Part 21 deals with temporary, transitional and special provision, and part 22 deals with short titles, commencement, authoritative text in Hindi and repeals. So we will do each part an importance article and what are the chapters or divisions under each part. So let's start with part 11. Part 11, as said earlier, it deals with relation between the union and state and covers article from 245 to 263, and it consists of two divisions, that is legislative relation and administrative relation. So legislative relation covers article from 245 to 255 and administrative relation covers article from 256 to 263. And what is the important article under this part? It is article 249, which says power of parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in a state list in the national interest. And the other article is article 262, which says adjudication of dispute relating to water of interstate river or river valleys, and article 263, which says provisions with respect to an interstate council. So this is part 11. The next is part 12. Part 12 deals with finance, property, contracts, suits and covers article from 264 to 300A. It consists of four divisions, and what are they? They are finance, borrowing, property, contract, rights, liabilities, obligation and suits, and right to property. Remember, this is very important. Right to property is under article 300A. So let's see finance. This covers article from 264 to 291. Borrowing covers article from 292 to 293. Property, contract, right, liability, obligation and suits cover article from 294 to 300, and right to property, as said earlier, 300A. So important article under this, article 265, that says taxes not to be imposed save by authority of law. Article 275 says grants from the union to certain state. Article 380 says finance commission. So this is important. Remember, finance commission comes under article 280. Article 300, suits and proceeding, and article 300A, as said earlier, right to property, it says persons not to be deprived of property save by authoritative of law. After this comes part 13, which deals with trade, commerce, intercourse within the territories of India and covers article from 301 to 307. After part 13, we have part 14 that deals with service under union and the state and covers article from 308 to 323. It has two revisions, that is services, which covers article from 308 to 314, and Public Service Commission, which covers article from 315 to 323. So important article under part 14 is article 311, that says dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of person employed in civil capacity to any union or state. Article 312 says All India Services. 315 says Public Service Commission for the union and the state, that is Union Public Service Commission and State Public Service Commission. Article 320 that deals with functions of Public Service Commission. So after this there is part 14A. So what is part 14A? Part 14A deals with tribunals and covers article 323A to 323B, and the important article under part 14A is article 323A, which deals with administrative tribunals. After 14A comes part 15. Part 15 deals with election and covers article from 324 to 329A, and the important article under part 15 which deals with election is article 324. So 324 article says superintendent's direction and control of election to be vested in an election commission. So this says the responsibility of direction, commission and superintendent of any election is to be vested on election commission. So after this comes part 16, which deals with special power relating to certain classes and cover article from 330 to 342. Let's see important article under this. So important article under this is article 330, which says reservation of seat for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the House of People, that is Lok Sabha. And then comes article 335, which says claims of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe to service and post. And after this we have part 17. Part 17 deals with official language and covers article from 343 to 351. It includes 4 divisions. They are language of the union, that is under article 343 to 344. Then comes regional language. It covers article from 345 to 347. Then language of Supreme Court, High Courts and so on, that is subordinate court and other lower court. So it covers article from 348 to 349 and special directives. This covers article from 350 to 351. So after this we have part 18. Part 18, this is a very important part. This deals with emergency provisions. So remember, part 18 deals with emergency provisions and it covers article from 352 to 360. So let's see important article under this, that is part 19, which deals with emergency, is article 352. Article 352 is proclamation of emergency. This is national emergency. Article 356 says provision in case of failure of constitutional machinery in state, that is presidential rule. As it says, if in any state the constitutional machinery or the state government fails, there the president's rule is applied. So article 356 deals with president's rule and article 360 deals with provision as to financial emergency. So article 352 national emergency, article 356 presidential rule and article 360 financial emergency. After this comes part 19. Part 19 deals with miscellaneous and covers article from 361 to 367. An important article under this part is article 365. 365 article says effect of failure to comply with or to give effect to direction given by the union, that is president's rule. So after this we have part 20. Part 20 deals with amendment of constitution. This too is very important. The constitution can be amended by the article 368, which is in part 20. So part 20 covers article 368 and the important article under this is itself Article 368, which says power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure therefore. After Part 20, we have Part 21, which deals with temporary, transitional and special provision and covers article from 369 to 392. An important article under this is Article 370. Recently, we all have known this in news. Article 370 is temporary provision with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, but now it is removed. So, after Article 370, we have Part 22, that is after Part 21, which has important article as Article 370, we have Part 22. Part 22 deals with short title, commencement, authoritative text in Hindi and repels, and it covers article from 393 to 395. So, with this, the third part or the last theoretical part of the video ends here, and in the next video, that is the last video of this important article series, we will be doing all the important previous year questions from this topic for all the competitive exam like SSC, RRB, NTPC and etc. So, that will have nearly 60 to 70 plus questions, all previous year questions and some sample questions that are important from this topic, that is important article and parts in which these articles are written. So, with this, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. We also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC CPO, SSC CHSL, SSC CGL, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.